lips. I mean,
like how do you walk?
I'm thinking her inner thighs were holding on to it.
What are you?
Maybe she's like, what is that stuff that people use for grip?
sticky tack.
Maybe she rubs that on the inside of her legs.
Glue.
And now the FTC has officially given this a X-rated.
What are you in for? I shoved a 50-inch up my twat.
I dare say that nobody would go after her. Be like, what?
I'm like, no, you go find her.
Yeah, you can't hurt me. I can smuggle motherfuckers, whole people.
She had elves that she had hidden up her.
Oh God!
She had ran around and got the stuff.
Like hell, I brought a cell phone and a couple of notepads in with me today. God. Oh my Lord.
Well, have you seen that? Where the woman puts a whole fucking turkey up her dress?
I don't think so.
Frozen.
Is it one of those where they wear like the
Where
tights?
she looks like she's pregnant.
She like has like a moo-moo on, and then she's got tights, and she puts the
I've
turkey,
seen people take
and
stuff
then she
out.
looks like she's pregnant.
I've seen people with the spandex type stuff, and the amount of stuff they pull out of there is amazing.
I don't know. I mean, well, okay, that brings to mind that guy that got pulled over.
With the eyeballs?
And the eyeballs.
Oh yeah. Oh Lord.
Jesus Christ. Y'all, there's nothing I want bad enough to put it up my butthole.
No. And then he goes home and cooks them up and eats them.
And if, for
You
God's
probably
sake,
washed them.
for God's sakes, if I do keister something.
That really changes the definition of brown eye.
Right, like if I do keister something, I'm not going to eat it. I can't imagine in what world I'd keister something.
I wouldn't even want to hold it afterwards.
I wouldn't even want to admit it to myself. Like,
Yeah, you have it in your ass. I'll be like, this isn't happening. And he had these things shoved in his butthole, and he was driving.
But you know who I'm more.
I just imagine going down the road and going, you know that feeling in your tummy when you got a doo-doo rub?
He accidentally burps
You know
one
who
up.
I'm more concerned about though?
Eyeballs rolling around.
You know who I'm more concerned about? The police officer that pulled him over.
Yeah, no,
pulled him out of the car, was talking to him, and saw the eyeball roll out his pant leg.
Oh no, not eyeball, eyeballs.
Right.
Yeah.
Excuse me, sir. Are you pooping eyeballs right now?
I bet he wished it would have been poop though.
Yeah.
Be like, I can handle someone shitting themselves, but 15 cow eyeballs that just rolled out of your butthole, I'm gonna need therapy now. I'm pretty sure he medically retired.
Is this guy a serial killer?
Yeah, seriously, I'd have been thinking he had like a corpse hidden in his clothes or
In his
something.
anus.
In his butthole, yeah. Like those are cow eyeballs, and there's a couple of T-bones.
This is where I stash my victims. Where? My butt. I prison wallet them bitches.
I keister them all the way home, and then I poop them out and I make skin suits. They call me a skinwalker.
I'm walking with skins.
I think we're going to end it there.
Yeah.
All right, we've oh my god, we've so derailed.
No, we came back to Skinwalkers.
Yeah, we brought it back.
we did.
We tied it up.
We got lost in the middle there.
We tied it up like a bow.
Oh my god, tied it up like a prison wallet. Oh my god, we're done. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.